Hi guys, welcome to our 30-day head massage self-care challenge. It's Kieran and Laura Tudor here, and we're here to support you through lockdown and turn the next 4 weeks into something positive.
Yeah, we've created this 5-minute long head massage tutorial to really encourage you all to take 5 minutes out of your day for this extremely beneficial self-care ritual. It's super easy to do, anyone can do it, and all you need is your hands and it's completely free.
There are so many amazing benefits to scalp massage, including improving scalp health, promoting healthy hair growth, but our main aim is going to be to help you relax. To do that, we're going to start with a quick relaxation technique, and then we're going to follow with 5 massage techniques that you can either do to yourself at home or ask someone to do for you.
Yeah, we really want you to try and practice this every single day for the next 30 days. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 really deep breaths, and then we're going to fully relax. So start by breathing in, and we're going to hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then relax. Drop the shoulders and just let everything go. And again, hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. And one last time, nice big deep breath in. 2, 3, 4, and release. Shake it all out. Nice and relaxed.
You can either do this on a dry scalp or in the shower with your shampoo or conditioner. And then once a week, we recommend you to use a scalp treatment. We're going to be using our En Route scalp massage oil. Apply this directly to a dry scalp before starting.
So the first technique we're going to do is the classic massage technique called petrissage, which is applying pressure using the pads of the fingertips and working in a circular motion. Get in there. It's quite nice to start at the nape of the neck, really tension relieving, and work in circular motions. A really good tip if you want to do scalp massage for hair growth is to focus on areas that are typically thinner, so around the hairline, and apply gentle pressure, which gets the blood flowing to the area, which really encourages the hair follicle to produce healthy hair. So do this for about 30 seconds or so, and then we'll move on to the next technique.
So the second technique we're going to use is called the crescent moon, and you create a C shape with your hand, and then we're going to go around in circular motions on our scalp. So this one feels really amazing. You can feel it's really exfoliating. But one of the great things about head massage as well is that it will help exfoliate dead skin from off your scalp completely naturally and help remove any product buildup. So it's going to really help with any dandruff and really help get rid of any flaky skin. So again, do this for about 30 seconds.
So the next technique we're going to do is something called the facelift, and it's using the effleurage technique. So it's using all of the hand really, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in and apply the pressure, lifting the skin, and then connecting our hands. So you can apply a gentle pressure to the hair as well. I really like to do it up the back of the head. And what this is doing is it's helping to drain the lymphatic system, which really helps to release toxins out of the skin. And it's a very relaxing technique.
So nice. So the fourth technique we're going to do is one called plucking, which if our hair doesn't look crazy enough already, it is going to do even more so in a second. And just a quick note on this, if you have epilepsy or you're experiencing quite a lot of hair shedding, just skip this step as we don't recommend it for you. So what we're going to do is we're literally going to pluck the hair away from the scalp, just lightly kind of tap your fingers together and pull as you go. So you can do this quite randomly all around your scalp. So after you finish this technique, your scalp starts to feel quite tingly, and that's all the blood rushing through the scalp. The red blood cells have healing properties and also help stimulate the hair follicles, which really encourages hair growth.
The final technique that we're showing you is called combing, and we're using the very tips of the fingers and we're pushing away in a sort of combing method. We tend to hold a lot of tension in our face and our scalp, so doing this every day is going to be so good for helping us to reduce stress and just have a little bit of calm within our day. Many forms of hair loss are actually completely preventable, and it's because they're caused by things like stress and poor nutrition. And one of the best things you can do to help prevent hair loss is to do scalp massage regularly and use a scalp treatment, as it keeps the scalp really healthy and keeps the circulation to the scalp really good. And a really nice way to end this technique is just to use the palms of your hand and stroke down your head, just to slow things down at the end. Why not take a picture at the start of this trial and then take one at the end, as you may notice the beginnings of some new hair growth around the root area.
So I hope you're all feeling a lot more relaxed now. I know I am. And I hope you've learned something from our tutorial. You can join us every day. This is going to be so beneficial for you, and I really hope that we can support you through this time.
Yeah, make sure that you stay tuned to our social channels where we're going to be posting every single day, so you can join in with us as we do our scalp massages live, and you can interact with our community on our Facebook group, which is We Are Centered Community. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and you'll find the links below. If you have any hair or scalp issues, please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can email us at hello@wearecentered, or of course send us a DM over on Instagram.
So I hope after this tutorial you're feeling a lot more balanced and a lot more centered.
Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.